Hi everyone, thank you for joining us today. Today I would like to interview a professional graphic designer from advertising agency. So let's begin. First, can you introduce yourself and tell us what you do?
Okay, hello everyone. So my name is Indra Jati, and I am a graphic designer at one of the advertising agency, but not in Indonesia. It's in Singapore.
Also, you're based in Singapore.
No, I'm working remotely, but at sometimes maybe every two months I will go to the Singapore office.
Okay, that's interesting. So I'm gonna start with my first question. Why did you choose graphic designer as your job?
Actually, at first I didn't choose it as my main profession. But back then, maybe around 20 years ago, when I first start, I like to draw and I like to see the poster, banner, or billboards on the street. So I learned at first I learned how to do that first, but after that I got once I won the design competition and I think oh it's a good money. So from that time I chose to be a graphic designer.
So your basic start is drawing. So you can use hand drawing.
Yeah, usually I used to draw and painting, and yes, I can draw. But in terms of my current job as a graphic designer, we need to use tools like Adobe, Photoshop, or Illustration.
So do you have any basic education on art or designing?
Actually, no. My main major when I went to university is a journalist. So I supposed to be a journalist, not a graphic designer. But yeah, I can say graphic designer. At that time, I need the money, so I chose to be a graphic designer. And up until today, I still doing that. So,
So
so
how long you
basically,
have
my motivation is about the money.
it's basic need for life. So how long you been in this profession?
I think almost 20 years in
20
this.
years.
Yeah. So even before Adobe Photoshop or Illustration exists. See,
What tools you use back then?
we use Corel Draw, and then we use Microsoft Paint on the desktop on Windows. Yeah, we use that. And for the photo manipulation, usually we do the analog way, the manual way, using scanner, and we cut with scissors and put on the scanner, and then we print again. So basically, the manual way.
That's 20 years is a long time.
Yes, 20 years is long
I'm
time.
I'm quite a bit interested in your daily life, daily routine. How do you
Uh,
do your work?
so basically, my daily routine, working as a remote, it means remote job. It means we can choose our time to do the works. Like in Indonesia, people mostly business hour at 8 until or 9 until 5 p.m. Right? But in Singapore or in Europe country, usually we start working at 11 p.m. and maybe finish around 6 or 7 p.m. And
So
usually, yeah,
so
every day
mostly
we did that.
your customer is from outside.
Yes, my
Mostly
client
your customer.
currently my client is mostly not from Indonesia. It's all over the Europe and also in Southeast Asia, except Indonesia.
So you are adjusting your time to their work time.
Yes, every 2 months I go to the Singapore to meet the client or to meet other fellow colleagues.
Mm-mm.
And on the other day, I just stay at home.
So, okay, for next question, every job has a challenge. What is your biggest challenge in your career?
My biggest challenge, actually, 7 years ago, I worked at Gojek. You know Gojek? I
Yes,
still
I know.
in still in Indonesia. I work in Jakarta at office. We work at Gojek. That's the most challenge because you know the first logo of Gojek is written Gojek, and currently the logo is
Green,
the circle one,
circle the
the
green
circle
one.
one. Yeah. So I'm part of the team who work on that logo. So I think that was the challenge because at first Gojek only the business only Gojek means transportation, and in the end they develop not just transportation but also food. Currently they have GoPay, finance, finance.
Finance.
So we need to transport those people riding motorcycle logos into something else. See.
Okay, for your anyone for want to be the graphic designer, do you have any advice for them?
My advice. So graphic designer is always developed because the world are also developed, right? Currently, we live in a digital era, so it's easy for us to learn or to give us more educational about graphic design. So I think just every year that there are always graphic trends. So whatever you do as a graphic designer, always follow, always develop yourself, always learn something new
So
because
in
graphic designer is
more
one of
dynamic,
the more dynamics for printing into digital. All have different purposes and different. Maybe the tools are almost the same, but you need different knowledge to do that.
so in 20 and 26 now, what tools do you use mostly or applications?
Every day, right now, in the last 3 years, mostly I use Canva. So don't be shocked because yes,
Simple.
Canva is good, but Adobe or Corel Draw also very good. But we need to work fast. So in the end, mostly I do the graphic design with Canva, or if I need more, maybe the photo manipulation or digital imaging or digital retouch, I use the Photoshop one. But
How do you
for layouting, we can do with Canva.
Canva? So how's the AI in affecting your job? Right?
Actually, it helps.
Are you worried?
No,
Aren't you worried?
I don't. I'm not worried about AI will took the graphic design job. No, because basically the the idea to layout, to do layouting or to do design, basically you need idea. AI will help us to hasten the execution. That's all.
So are you using AI too?
Yes, sometimes yes. Just to lay out something, previously I need to draw to create a mock-up or draft layout. But using AI, I can input prompt, and it can help me to visualize if it's not good or not the way I want to be. I can still using Adobe Photoshop to make editing or illustration, make some
Explain.
yes, more adjustment lah.
Okay, I think that's all I want to know about graphic designing. Thank you very much for sharing your experience.
Thank you, Adit.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah. Thanks for your time. Bye.
Bye.
Los. Hi everyone. Today I would like to present the result of my interview with a professional graphic designer who work in advertising agency. I choose this topic because creative industry is growing rapidly and graphic designer is one of the main key in advertising communication. So the interview is Indra Jati. He's a professional graphic designer. He's worked for advertising agency in Singapore, but he's working from Indonesia. He has experience almost 20 years in designing industry. His career background, he start from early in his life. He developed strong interest in drawing and visual art. His professional career began after winning design competition. Although he's originally study in journalism, he's transitioned into graphic design because paid salary in his job. As graphic designer, his main responsibility include creating visual concept for advertising campaign. He's transformed the idea into a realism advertising. He's collaborating with international client and working remotely with a creative team. His daily work mainly use design software as Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, but he also have technical skill like hand drawing. He can do a hand drawing. He got creativity, adaptability, and communication skill are very important in his field. His work routine is flexible. He work almost everywhere. He can work, but he has because he have international client. He is he must adjust his time into the international time zone, like in Europe, like in Southeast Asia. So the time work is depending on the client. One of his biggest challenge is when he's taking project with Gojek. He he has to adaptive into when Gojek expand his business into not only transportation like finance, food, and other service. He must adapt with a new situation and transform the design logo into a new logo. He also have advice for anyone who interested in design graphic. He suggests anyone who want into graphic design have to improve their skill, follow the trend, and keep learning a new tool because technology is developing. So you have to adapt with new tools. Like now we have Canva. Back then we use CorelDRAW. So from his personal response, I learned becoming a graphic designer require creativity, adaptability, and we have continuous learning because uh, now digital era is really fast growing. So in conclusion, graphic design play important role in advertising industry by transforming idea into visual communication. We also have keeping up with situation like continuous to develop our skill in using a new tool, using a new media. I think that's all about my interview with Indra Jati. Thank you.